Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka. Let's start with today's bulletin. WhatsApp bans 9.7 million Indian accounts in February. Samsung Galaxy A series gets powerful AI features. Jio extends unlimited offer until April 15th. Nikon exits DSLR market, shifts focus to mirrorless cameras. OpenAI now valued at $300 billion after recent deal. Android Auto 4.0 update brings major improvements. Hikvision launches PowerX DVR for next-gen video security. Now, in yesterday's quiz, we asked you when was the first iPhone launched in India, and the answer is 22nd August 2008. Now, it's time for our daily tech quiz. Yesterday's question: when was 5G launched in India? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Now let's start with the first news. WhatsApp has banned over 9.7 million accounts in India during February 2025 as a part of its efforts to curb misuse and enforce safety guidelines. The action was taken against accounts found violating WhatsApp's term of service, including spreading misinformation, spamming, and using unauthorized modifications of the application. WhatsApp's monthly compliance report mandated by India's IT regulation shows that 1.4 million of these accounts were proactively banned before users reported them. The platform uses AI-powered moderation tools and user complaints to detect suspicious activities. With India being WhatsApp's largest market, the company is under constant pressure to ensure user safety and prevent illegal activities. Now, WhatsApp also encourages users to report suspicious accounts directly through the app. While such bans help maintain a safer messaging environment, some users complain about account suspensions without valid reasons. The company, however, provides an appeal process for affected users who believe their accounts were wrongly banned. Now we have Samsung, which has introduced AI-powered features to its popular Galaxy A series smartphone, bringing high-end technology to budget-friendly devices. The new update includes AI-enhanced photography, smarter battery management, and improved performance. Users can now enjoy features like AI-powered image enhancements with improved photo quality in real time. Samsung's AI also helps optimize battery usage, extending phone life based on the usage patterns. The AI-driven voice assistant had been upgraded to provide more personalized responses and better voice recognition. These features, which were previously available only in flagship models like the Galaxy S series, are now making their way in the mid-range devices. Samsung's move aims to make AI more accessible to everyday users. With AI integration becoming a key selling point in smartphones, Samsung is positioning itself as a leader in bringing advanced tech to affordable devices. The update will roll out in phases, reaching all Galaxy A users soon. Now we have Reliance Jio, which has extended its unlimited data and call offer until April 15, giving users more time to enjoy uninterrupted services. Originally set to expire earlier, the extension allows Jio users to continue using free calls, unlimited 5G data, and additional benefits at no extra cost. This move is seen as Jio's strategy to attract and retain more customers in the competitive telecom market. The extension comes at a time when mobile data demand is rising and users are looking for cost-effective plans. Jio's aggressive pricing and free services have helped it maintain its position as a leader in telecom provider in India. The offer applies to both new and existing users who can activate it through the My Jio app. With competitors like Airtel and Vi offering their own plans, Jio's latest move is expected to further intensify competition in the industry. Customers can expect more such offers in the future as telecom companies battle for market dominance. Now we have Nikon, which has officially announced that it will stop developing new DSLR cameras and will focus entirely on mirrorless cameras. This marks the end of an era for traditional DSLR users as Nikon shifts to modern high-tech imaging solutions. Mirrorless cameras offer advantages like faster autofocus, lighter bodies, and better video capabilities, making them more appealing for photographers. Nikon stated that its latest mirrorless models, including the Z series, have been widely accepted, prompting the move away from DSLRs. The company will continue providing support and services for existing DSLR users but will no longer release new models. The company has also moved towards mirrorless technology for years, with rivals like Sony and Canon leading the shift. Nikon's decision signals a new phase in professional and consumer photography. While some DSLR users may be disappointed, Nikon's focus on mirrorless innovation is expected to bring exciting advancements in camera technology. Then we have OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, which has secured a deal that pushes its valuation to a staggering $300 billion. This company makes most of the valuable artificial intelligence in the world. The latest funding allows employees to sell their shares, boosting investor confidence in AI's future. OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, has been rapidly expanding its AI capabilities, with ChatGPT and other AI models being widely used in various industries. The soaring valuation reflects growing interest in AI-powered tools, from chatbots to automation in workplaces. Investors believe OpenAI's technology will revolutionize industries like healthcare, finance, and education. However, concerns about AI ethics and regulation continue to rise. Despite these challenges, OpenAI remains a dominant player in the AI race. With its increasing market influence, the company is expected to roll out even more advanced AI solutions in the near future, further shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Next, we have Google, which has rolled out the Android Auto 14.0 update, bringing new features and a smoother driving experience for users. The update includes an improved user interface, better voice recognition, and enhanced app compatibility. One of the most notable changes is the faster and more responsive Google Assistant, which helps drivers with navigation, music control, and messages. The update also fixes several bugs and improves the connection stability between smartphones and car infotainment systems. Android Auto now supports more third-party apps, giving users greater customization options. Now, safety here remains a top priority, with Google adding features that minimize distractions while driving. The new feature is rolling out gradually, so some users might have to wait a few days to receive it. With this update, Google aims to make driving more convenient and connected. As more car manufacturers integrate Android Auto into their vehicles, the platform continues to evolve with better features. Then we have Hikvision, which has launched its latest PowerX DVR, a revolutionary digital video recorder designed to enhance security monitoring. The new DVR comes with enhanced AI-powered features, including real-time motion detection, facial recognition, and enhanced night vision. It provides a high-resolution video recording and smart analytics to help businesses and homeowners improve security. PowerX DVR also supports cloud storage, making it easier for users to access footage remotely. Hikvision claims that this new technology will significantly improve surveillance efficiency, reducing false alarms and increasing accuracy in threat detection. With growing concerns over security, the demand for intelligent video monitoring is rising. Hikvision PowerX DVR is expected to set a new benchmark in the security industry, offering reliable and advanced surveillance solutions. The device is now available in selected markets, with a global rollout planning in the coming months. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.